Matching stroke in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, navigate to the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the search bar to find Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application, type Figma into the address bar, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website. Make sure you're already signed into your Figma account so you can access your projects and editing tools. Once logged in, open one of your previous projects from the Recent Files section. After selecting the project, the editor page will load and display your canvas, layers, and design properties. Locate the layers that contain the strokes you want to make consistent. You can select these layers directly on the canvas by clicking the objects, or you can choose them through the Layers panel on the left side of the screen. To select multiple layers, click the first layer, hold down the Shift key, and then click the second layer. Continue using Shift-click to add additional layers to the selection if necessary. Once all required layers are selected, move your cursor to the bottom toolbar and click the Actions button. A menu will appear with additional options for extending Figma's functionality. Select Plugins and Widgets from the available list. In the search field that appears, type Stroke Manager and wait for the results to load. Click the Stroke Manager plugin from the list and then select Run to launch it. The plugin interface will open and display several settings related to stroke management. Use the stroke width controls to make the borders across all selected layers uniform. If needed, adjust the alignment settings so that the strokes are positioned consistently, whether inside, outside, or center on the shapes. You can also modify the color settings through the color mapping options if you want all selected layers to share the same stroke color. Review the preview carefully and make any additional adjustments required to achieve consistent appearance. Once the stroke width, alignment, and colors match your preferences, click the Apply button within the plugin. The changes will be applied instantly to all selected layers.